People of internet, good morning. It's your boy the Lol Expert here. We're back with another video. If you're new to me, I'm new to you. Make sure to scroll down, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. Without further ado, let's go to the video. Hey guys, it's your boy the Lol Expert here. We're back with another video. And today's video I'm going to show you how to secure a job with accommodation in Serbia. So what are the advantages? You're going to secure a job and get an electronic visa. Is it as possible? So here we're going to focus on a few things. What is the first thing? The first thing is like we have to focus on the requirement. What is the job requirement? The job requirements are very simple. So first thing, you need to be a man, woman or married couple. So what is important of like applying when you are in a couple? So is the advantage is like you guys are going to get a free accommodation, but it's a couple accommodation. That's the reason we mostly focus married couples. So the age is up to 55 years old. So if you are above 50, you are not eligible. See, if you are below 18, you are not eligible. So it's between 18 to 54, max 55. So mostly take 54. So here the communication is in English. So if you know how to speak English and you're from English communities, English countries, or you are more welcome to apply for this job. So what are the job positions? So the job position is warehouse workers. So you need to sorting like packing goods, parcels, and working in a modern warehouse with organized logistics. So here another thing we're going to focus on, what are there is a farming and agriculture as well. So for agricultures, you be comfortable working in comfortable working condition for women. Apart from that, there's fresh air, there's a beautiful surroundings and great work environment. So working hours is 8 to 10 hours, and per hours you're going to get $10 or $15. So here we go. Why Serbia and why do we need to apply for Serbia? Recently I've received a lot of requests, a lot of questions regarding working in Serbia. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is that it's very simple to get a visa. Very simple to get a visa. You don't need to, it's like stress-free, right? So you can apply for a visa online and you get an electronic visa. So apart from that, you get an opportunity to apply for a permanent resident for 2 years. You can apply for a permanent resident permit for 2 years. So apart from that, so here we go, visa procedure. And what are the requirement documents? So here you're going to get a minimum passport. You need to have a minimum passport of 2 years. Minimum passport of 2 years, because you're going to get a permanent resident permit for 2 years as well. So the minimum passport of 2 years is required and it's mandatory if you really want to have 2 years of permanent resident. So and you need to send your first name, last name, phone number, season of country or city in which you are going to apply for your visa. So how to apply? That is another question, how to apply. So first thing, you need to gather all your documents and you contact our team for processing. So if you really want to apply yourself, you can still contact us. We will send you all the link. You can go through the links, you apply yourself and you get an acknowledgement. So after that, you need to pay for your visa. So there is one thing I want to tell you guys, in Serbia it's kind of different. So once you get a visa, electronic visa, in some countries you have to go to the nearest embassy to get it stamped. That is a very important steps. So once you get the visa, it's always good, it's free. It's like, just go. Some embassy used to charge some small amount of money, but some other embassy, they are not going to charge you anything. So you just need to go have your visa stamp. It's an electronic visa, it's very easy. So then once you get the visa approved, easy, put all your document together and put your luggage and travel for your work. So here we go. I've received a lot of questions regarding from my followers and all. How can we change the job as well? So once you reach in Serbia, it's always recommended to work for at minimum 3 months. If you think like that the job is not suitable for you, you can still change the job, or you can move from one to another job. That's okay. That's okay as long as you do have your permanent resident permit. So the permanent resident permit is mandatory. That is mandatory. So just put in your mind that to work in Serbia is more easier than get visa is more easy. So those are the country in Europe in which you got more access to get the job and apply for your visa. So and now where is Serbia located? All right. So Serbia is located in Southeast and Central Europe. European countries. So if you want to immigrate, if you want to move to Europe, so I think Serbia might be an option for you. Might be an option. You can still go ahead, apply for Serbia and get an electronic visa. It's like it's stress-free for you actually. So you are not so much like stress. I'm going to apply go to an interview. So an advantage of electronic visa is that there is no interview at all. You're not going to undergo any, going to go to any interview. There is no interview. Just go ahead and apply for your visa and wait for the decisions. Once it's approved, pack everything and move to Serbia. As easy as possible. So guys, here I explain you guys how to apply for and what is the advantage of getting the Serbian visas and Serbian work contract. So if you are new to our channel and we are new to you, so we will appreciate how you go through the channel, subscribe, share and watch our videos. And if you are interested to apply for Serbia, one thing is sure, our doors are always open. It's always open, guys. So you can just drop us an email, you can drop us a message. We will be able to answer your questions and assist you in applying for that. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next week for another video.